Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best Eureka vacuum cleaner for home you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many Eureka vacuum cleaner for home and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each Eureka vacuum cleaner for home so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a Eureka vacuum cleaner for home. First, think about the type of flooring you have, because different Eureka models work better on carpets, hardwood, or mixed surfaces. Next, consider suction power and filtration, since strong suction ensures deep cleaning and good filters help reduce dust and allergens. You should also check the vacuum's weight and design for easy maneuvering, especially if you have stairs or multiple rooms. Another important point is the dust capacity and ease of cleaning the bin, as a larger capacity means less frequent emptying. Finally, review the price and warranty to ensure you get good value and long-term reliability. Choosing the right Eureka vacuum depends on balancing performance, convenience, and your home's specific needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.